If there is one artist who has brought Afro R&B to a global audience, it's Tems. What makes her music so special is that she can move effortlessly between two worlds. She can jump on an Afrobeat record and create a global hit, then release a pure R&B song that feels as powerful and emotional. She has created a sound that is instantly recognizable. In this video, I'm gonna break down the sound and show you how to create Afro R&B inspired by her style. We'll see how to create complex chord progression, melodies, the effect to use, the drum, bass, and everything you need to know to create this sound. So let's get started. I think I'm gonna go with 100 as my tempo. Guys, the noise cancellation is so crazy on this headphone. I cannot even hear myself. The first plugin is gonna be Keyscape. We're just going to try to create a nice chord progression and select the first preset. Okay. Command L, and now we are building the chord. Let's lower it again. We want this to sound smooth. Start with the major. And this has to be there. Command L, and then we copy the low note as our bass, and then let's see. Nice. Now we can add more note, I think. Nice. Now we are going to add the stromizer, Alt S, and then we have now that's better. Let's create some little movement. Okay. Nice. Nice. Now we add it to a mixer track, and then we add the chorus Juno by June 6 by Arturia. This is a crazy plugin. And now we play. Let's see. Depending on your taste, you can activate mono or you can leave it in stereo. So here's the difference. And now we are using the Arturia Revolution reverb to add more movement to it again. Now that we have our corporation, the next thing to do is to layer this with other instruments. I am going to use the Mini Freak V. I can link it with the mini V hardware that I have right now, but I'm gonna leave this for another tutorial. But there's a preset in this that sounds so good, which is the what is the name again? Take a moment. This sounds so good. I think I saved it. I saved the preset. Let's link it to the mini freak. So what I did is just I load the preset and then I play with the knob right there so I can make it sound much more interesting. So let's go to user. Yeah, I remember I saved it and it sounds like this now. I layer 4 instrument and then sound like this. And now it's time to add the bass. When we are thinking about bass, we think about Trillion. Trillion is one of the best bass plugin out there. If you want a good bass, just go to Trillion. That's it. The bass pattern is pretty simple. Let's say we go. Now we can just move 1 octave lower. Add Q so we quantize and then make this one a little bit short. Sorry, this one a little bit shorter so we can create this dynamic. I want to add a violin. Let's say we'll go to strings and let's use super. Now we are going to add more melody instrument. Let's see in what key we are in so we can add the key right there. Okay, we add the key which is F. And now we're gonna try to add this R&B 90s vibe to it. Let's go to Bell. I think guys now it's time to create the drum pattern. We are going to create a simple drum pattern and then after we add some vocal chop and even much more simple phone splice and then the beat is gonna be complete. First thing I'm gonna add is gonna be Let's go to Afro Groove drum loop. Let's use this. I love this drum loop. It sounds crazy. Lower. And now let's try to find a kick. I think I'm gonna go with this. And then now we can add an hi-hat. As with this, like. So now guys, I am going to go to Splash, try to find some cool R&B vocals so I can add to the mix, and also doing a little balance and make the arrangement. And after, I'm going to play the final vibe for you. I know that many of y'all know already how to find samples on Splash and how to integrate them in your instrumental, so I'm not gonna show that today. So yeah, let me just go do that off camera and then get back with the final vibe for y'all. I've added this vocal chop. Let me show you how it sounds when I combine them. And also add this one right there. And everything together, it sounds like this. Enjoy.